Okay guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to use the gold anonymous feature in order for you to increase your gold shares. And the minimum withdrawal for your gold shares is 25k, which is $40, meaning you must have $40 in your gold shares in order for you to be able to withdraw it. And you can withdraw your gold shares on the 25th of every month. So how do you boost or how do you increase your gold shares? I'll be teaching you how to do that through Gold Anonymous. How do you host an anonymous messaging session? You click on your dashboard, you click on these three lines at the bottom side. Okay, let me mark it, these three lines here. You click on it. After clicking on it, you click on anonymous message, and then you copy your link. How do you copy your link? You hold the text in this box here, copy everything, click on copy, and then either you post the link on your status or you send it to your friends. You can post it on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere at all. You can also send it as a message to your friends. Yes, I can send it like this to this person for him to send me an anonymous message, or I can post it on my status. Let's say you can say, send me an anonymous message please. Just send me an anonymous message. I won't know it's you, or just something like this, and then you could add any caption that would make them want to send you a message. Then you paste your link. After pasting your link, you send. You see, then I would wait for them to send me an anonymous message. Okay, so now I'll go back and check if someone has sent me an anonymous message already. So I'll go back to my Luxegold account, click on this, and then click on anonymous message. Yes, you can see someone just sent me this message. How do I get referrals? Remember, my balance was 0. My gold shares was 0.00. So I would check my gold shares. I've gotten 0.03 naira, which is 20 naira for just one message that I received. And one thing you should know about this Gold Anonymous is that you cannot spam it. For those that like sending themselves anonymous messages so they would increase their gold shares, if you send more than one, be it 30 or 40 messages, Luxegold will only pay you for one message sent. Pays you per person, not per messages received. So after sending an anonymous message, decide to send yourself again. You will not be paid till maybe after 24 hours. This to prevent spamming. So you can only send yourself message once, and you'll be paid for that message. Any other message will not be paid for the remaining messages. So that's it. For another thing you should know about the Gold Anonymous, your friends can send you plenty messages. That's more than one message. Your friends can send you plenty messages, but Luxegold will only pay you for one of the messages sent. The remaining messages, you will not be paid for that message, for those messages, because Luxegold does not want you guys to spam the Gold Anonymous feature. Because I know you guys, some of you don't want to spam this stuff. You don't want to make $5,000 in a day through this anonymous feature. So it doesn't work that way. Spamming is not allowed. So make sure you use this feature wisely. Because if we should allow you guys to spam this anonymous stuff, the fun of it will be gone. So we are trying to avoid that. That's why we've prevented spamming.
Subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more tutorial videos on Make Money Online. Bye for now.